Hey, what's going on everyone? Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to share with you 8 tips you must know as an online entrepreneur. But it's nice weather outside, so I thought that I would take you on a ride and record the video outside. Let's go! So it's a beautiful day today, so I thought that it would be a good idea to step outside, take a small break. But before I take the break, I thought that I wanted to do a video, share with you some tips actually as an entrepreneur to keep in mind, or as an online marketer actually, and those are based on my experience. If you didn't know, if you just discovered me, I actually been an entrepreneur for almost 2 decades now. I've been through a recession and everything. I had an office with 6+ employees, so I do know a few things about entrepreneurship, and as an online marketer I've been for almost a decade now actually. So with that being said, let's get started with number one. Number one is to focus on what matters most. So what matters most? What matters most is to actually bring leads every single day in your business. I don't know what your business you're involved in. It can be some e-commerce, it can be an Amazon FBA, affiliate marketing, whatever it is, you need to bring leads or customers every single day, and that is what matters most. The techie stuff, you can always find someone, you can outsource, there is always a solution to that, but focus on what matters most. Okay, so a good tip would be actually to do your work first, and then you can do all the social media stuff, Facebook, YouTube, or whatever it's going to be. All right, the second one is actually you can see here, Nike, just do it. Just do it, okay? I'm laughing because it's funny. I took this t-shirt here today. So what the slogan says is just do it. And what I wanted to say with this is to actually get started, okay? Don't think so much. If you're thinking too much of a project, you will never get started. A good example is I'm redesigning my homepage on my site, my blog there, and the overall theme there, and there is a lot of new stuff, and I was thinking too much of that again, so I fell really easy into the trap, and then I was like, no, I'm just going to put it online, whatever it's going to be. I can correct that afterwards. So get started with whatever it is you're going to do, and you can correct afterwards. If you want to have that perfect moment, I can guarantee you it will never happen. All right, let's move on to number 3. I do have some bullet points here. Number 3 is to learn to sell and influence, and I don't mean that you need to learn to cold call or bombard someone or something else, but you need to learn a few things about selling. It can be actually just as simple as selling yourself, branding yourself, and a little bit of influencing. Okay, so nothing fancy stuff, but you need to learn the basics there, because it's all about selling. Okay, it doesn't have to be direct selling. I mean that you have to bombard someone to purchase anything from you, but I mean you can actually sell yourself, you can brand yourself. So learn the basics about selling. This is so important as an entrepreneur actually. Find a need and fulfill it. A perfect example is my course, which is Audio Video Mastery. I got help actually and the idea from a good friend Torsten, another marketer. He discovered that there was a need out there for marketers actually on how to put some footage and stuff like that, and he was like, hey, you know how to do this, you've been doing this for years, audio and video productions, why don't you do a course? And I discovered accidentally actually that Camtasia wasn't so good in handling the audio, okay, making good audio there, and I just came up with the idea that how to record, how to edit audio and video like a pro there in Camtasia, and that is how I got started and created a full-blown course there. So I cover everything from the audio section, because having good audio is well over 50% actually in good video production there. The audio is so important to keep in mind, no matter what kind of a video production you're going to be involved in, okay? It can be as simple as this video actually. I'm always tweaking it, and it takes me less than a minute, and that is what I'm sharing in my course there. But I do also have anything. You can create a video with free footage and stuff like that, so it is a full-blown course on how to edit audio and video, more targeted for marketers, I would say. But that is where I found a need and I fulfilled it, and of course I got sales, and I'm still getting sales on that course. Alright, I have to stop the video there, I got some background noise here. Number 5, provide value and money will follow. This is also very important. If you're desperate and you think of the money all the time, nothing will happen, but just provide value, and I can guarantee you that people will start to like you, they will trust you, and then they will of course buy from you. This is so important, okay? Make sure you provide value all the time, no matter if you're going to help out someone, if you're going to do a video, whatever it is, like I'm doing now. I provide value, okay? I'm sharing with you my tips as an online entrepreneur. Number 6, invest and educate in yourself. Another very important one, because you need to do it. Things are changing every single day, and you need to invest and educate yourself every single day as an entrepreneur actually. It can be something really small, something really simple, but make sure you do it on a consistent basis. Alright, number 7, take a break, step away, avoid burnout. Exactly as what I'm doing right here now. I said that today I'm going to take a few hours off. It doesn't have to be a full day, but it really helps if you can take a full day off, because that will help you definitely. You will feel so much relaxed, and you will have the energy actually to get started the next day and work 110% on your business. But that leads me to actually the final one, that online entrepreneurship, an online marketer, and most importantly, to be an entrepreneur is actually a marathon and not a sprint, okay? There will be days that will be really hard for you. You find it very hard, it will be tough, but there are other days that you will enjoy it as an online entrepreneur or as an entrepreneur in overall. So make sure you keep that in mind all the time. Entrepreneurship and online marketer is a marathon. Rome wasn't built in a day. You have to be patient, you have to be persistent and consistent. All right? Okay, that's it. I think it's actually up to number 8. 8 tips on to keep in mind as an entrepreneur or as an online marketer. So if you got some value here out of this video, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. You find my number 1 recommendation to make a full-time passive income online. If you're interested in building a real online business, you need to invest in yourself and check that out, because my number 1 recommendation is right here below this video. Alright. You'll find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. Both are mine, both are related to make money online, work from home opportunities, and much more. So make sure you subscribe to both, hit the notification bell also, so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another make money online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.